gonna make some Pop-Tarts.
We're gonna watch a movie and we're gonna do our fingernails. Ow. I'm getting deja vu.
I see a goldfish. I haven't quite gotten to the filling yet.
Work harder. Does it taste like a cookie?
It's like a Pop-Tart with no filling.
If you choke, I'll have it on video. Why do you think that's so funny? In the vlog?
No.
Oh. Hate my life.
Just read my mind.
Transition.
I should put the pigeon emoji.
Good morning, it's July the 2nd, 2018. I'm gonna do some sculpting. I used to make charms with polymer clay, which is like a clay that you put in the oven to make it hard. And I haven't done it in a couple of years, I think. But Emily was really wanting me to do it again, and I thought it would be fun. So I looked up some references for stuff to do yesterday, and I'm gonna work on that now. So let's go do that. Shave the dog.
Hello?
Yeah, police. Somebody stole my golden retriever and replaced it with a Labrador. Good morning. It's January. It's January. No, it's July the 3rd, 2018. I'm sitting on my bed, trying to come up with things to do, and this wall was looking a little blank. So I decided I would take out all of my Polaroids and make a photo wall. So I thought I would do a really vloggery thing called a time lapse. So yeah, if you enjoy, here we go. It's about 6:45-ish, and so yeah, after I worked on the photo wall, I went to piano, and when I got back from piano, I worked on the photo wall some more. So now I really like the way that it looks, and it's super shiny when you like walk around, and it's really aesthetic. Ooh, that's very bright light. On our way back from piano, we went to pick up some pottery that we painted. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but I made this really adorable mug. It has a music note on it, and it has this little cartoon on it, and it says "Stop, you're under arrest," but it's like a literal music rest and not like, you know, you're being arrested. Anyway, I thought it was really cute, and I made some tea to put in my mug, and yeah, I might be going on a walk with Emily and Anna, and yeah, let's been an overall pretty slow day, but I'm okay with that. I'm fixing to do some editing. So, yeah. Happy July 4th, 2018. It's been a really slow July the 4th for me, and I actually don't have any July the 4th plans except eat s'mores with my family and maybe go to Emily's house to watch some fireworks. But yeah, I've done some festive things. I'm wearing red, white, and blue. But yeah, I did draw some presidents. Well, a president. I drew Ulysses S. Grant, but he just kind of ended up looking like Steve Rogers if he was maybe like 10 years older, and it makes me really sad. But I will do some vlogging footage of our campfire and our fireworks if there are any. That was so unimpressive!
That was friendship.
Happy 4th of July week, everyone. I hope you had a great week, even if you didn't celebrate the 4th of July. TTFN, Tata for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later.